लक्ष्मी नृसिंह भक्त परिपालक शरणागता वत्सला शान्तरूप लक्ष्मी नृसिंह भक्त परिपालक शरणागता वत्सला शान्तरूप नारसिंह नमस्ते नमस्ते ॐ नारसिंह नमस्ते नमस्ते महानारसिंह नमस्ते नमस्ते महानारसिंह नमस्ते नमस्ते.
So there is a very interesting thing that happened at the time of installation of Lord Narasimha. He would not go into the altar. He stood halfway. What happened was, Narasimha deity is of a particular size, the door is of a particular size. So we had measured all these dimensions, accordingly only we made the deity. The stone is very heavy. So with a ramp we pushed him up, brought to the threshold. Myself and engineer and and two other guys are inside the altar, that side. I am there to direct them and 2-3 others are here. Basically the idea is we have to push them inside, not pull them from inside. So we were weak guys, we are inside. So all these people pushing up the ramp. So I used to stand inside and say, Jai Narasimha, Sri Narasimha, Jai Narasimha, and make them respond to it. All the workers. Finally, the deity went halfway through the door frame. Got stuck there. Tight. Top is tight, bottom tight, no gap. After all, it is stone. In stone, if you have even 1 centimeter difference, you can't do anything. Got stuck there. Looked like there was a difference. Then all Narasimha, Hare Krishna shouting, all these things, pushing. More and more got stuck. I said, okay, you do one thing, let's take him out. And then try to chip off the stone and all. Next 3 hours we were trying to take him out. He would not come out. So tight it got into. He will not come out. He will not go inside. He will not come out. I was practically 7 to 8 hours in the altar behind, stuck. You cannot come out of the altar also. Inside I am giving direction, taking this tape, measuring here, one more push, all those things. And inside the small altar, sweating. And then I said, oh my God, what to do now? Lord, tomorrow is installation. And the Lord is, not moving this way nor moving that side. Then I said, see, the only solution is, I do not know. Answer should come. See, only I am here. All others are workers. So I told, go and call 10 devotees with Mridanga and Kartal. Do a kirtan. So within half an hour, 10 minutes, all the devotees came and they started heavy kirtan. And then I told, no, let's give a try. Push. No, let's give a try. You won't believe it. The door frame is this wide. That Ananta's head was stuck here, in the middle, halfway. Okay? Pushing. All of a sudden, from here to here, zoom, he jumped into the altar. I have no physics to explain, because I have measured every millimeter of height of the door frame. This height of the deity just cannot go inside unless you chip 1 centimeter out. He shrunk, went inside. This is a big experience for me. After going inside again, after having gone inside, I was thinking, did he really shrink? I took the tape, measured it. No, he is back to his height. So he is that height. Just in 10 minutes, after the devotees came in and did kirtan, the Lord was already inside. So it's a miracle. From day one, Lord Narasimha came here, he showed. himself, he revealed himself to be not just stone. I can compress myself, I can expand myself. So, in other words, Lord is saying, I am here for Sankirtan. I am here for devotees singing Sankirtan. So, this is a Sankirtana temple.
So we chose the most detailed procedure for the installation. So we had this 45-day ceremony. Then the last 7 days was very important. So we had all the devotees from all over the world coming here, the sponsors here. And it was, I think 99.9% people felt real presence of the Lord coming and residing here. So that is the kind of feedbacks we had. So which is all because you followed the procedure as rightly as possible and as detailed as